Welcome to my YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in tech. If you're looking for a powerful gaming processor, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Thread CPU Processor 7nm L3 equals 32M Socket AMD AM4, a processor designed for serious gaming and performance. Let's get started. This processor is built on an advanced 7nm architecture, making it power efficient while delivering top-tier performance. With a massive 32MB L3 cache, it ensures super fast data retrieval, reducing latency and improving responsiveness in gaming and multitasking. Now, let's talk about speed. The Thread CPU processor is optimized for high-speed processing, delivering smooth frame rates in the latest AA games. Whether you're playing competitive sports titles or high-end RPGs, this CPU won't let you down. One of the best things about this processor is its Socket AM4 compatibility, meaning you can easily install it on a wide range of AMD motherboards. If you're looking to upgrade your existing rig, this is an excellent choice. Worried about overheating? This processor features advanced thermal management to keep temperatures in check. Pair it with a good cooling solution, and you'll enjoy optimal performance without thermal throttling. Alright, let's put it to the test. Running games like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty, and Fortnite, we're seeing some impressive frame rates and minimal stuttering. This CPU truly delivers the gaming experience we crave. So, is the Thread CPU Processor 7nm L3 equals 32M Socket AMD AM4 worth it? If you want a processor that balances power, efficiency, and affordability, this one is a solid pick. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just need a performance boost, this CPU has got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tectonic Electric for more awesome tech reviews. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one. Happy gaming!